I mean, there are a few variables involved depending on the size of the company and how it's laid out. Starting with what you said about the analytic question, I think in general, questioning is something that everyone who touches data, from the creator to the curator to the consumer, needs to understand. So let's say the company's set up where they have a chief data office, right? And those individuals there are building out analytic applications on top of data that we're grabbing from, a valid data source. If the business leader comes to them and says, "Hey, I need a report on how my sales campaigns," those individuals need to be able to be comfortable in the right culture to question that and say, "What are you trying to do? What are the expected outcomes?" And there's different levels of questioning to get to the right point. And I just think it's a lost art, or maybe it's not a lost art because lost art assumes we were good at it. But, when we're kids, we're really good at asking why. My kids drive me crazy asking why. And I feel like we just don't do that as much. We kind of get forced through education, universities, not to talk back to the teacher, not to challenge. And so I think one of the key takeaways for organizations, however you set up the model, is you need to set up a culture that allows you to question.